Hi first graders, today we're going to be learning about where food comes from. This week our theme is from farm to table, and I'm going to read you a story. It says, where does food come from? And once again the title page, where does food come from? Okay. Cocoa beans are seeds that grow on cocoa trees. Chocolate is made by grinding and cooking cocoa beans. Hot chocolate is made from chocolate. Maybe some of you love chocolate. Apples are fruits that grow on trees. An apple can be eaten right off the tree. Apple juice is made by pressing the juice from apples. And it says down here, there are more than 7,000 different kinds of apples. Okay, let me go down so you can see the pictures. Potatoes are vegetables that grow under the ground. French fries are made by cutting up potatoes and then cooking them in hot oil. And then it says, President Thomas Jefferson is given credit for introducing French fries to America. So that's a long time ago. Okay. Wheat is a grain that grows in fields. Flour is often made from ground up wheat. Bread is made mostly from flour. A freight train full of 1 year's wheat crop would stretch around the world 2.5 times. Wow, that's a lot of wheat. Okay. Then the next one. Rice is a grain that grows in wet fields called paddies. Rice that you eat is made by cooking the kernels of grain. It says more than half of the people in the world rely on rice as the main part of their meals. So a lot of people eat rice. Corn is a grain that grows on stalks in fields. Corn stalks grow cobs that are covered with corn kernels. Popcorn is made when kernels of corn are popped. There are 16 rows of kernels on each and every ear of corn. That's interesting, I didn't know that. Milk comes from cows, or sometimes from goats. Your milk is made safe for you to drink by first heating it and then keeping it cool in a bottle or carton. Milk is the main ingredient in butter, cheese, and ice cream. Lemons are citrus fruits that grow on trees. Lemonade is made by adding water and sugar to the juice of lemons. And then it says a lemon is a type of berry. I did not know that. Okay, here we go. The kind of eggs you eat are laid by domestic hens, birds that live on farms. Scrambled is one way to serve eggs. People also like to eat eggs fried or poached or hard-boiled. And then it says it takes most hens about a day to produce an egg. So we get our eggs from the hens. Tomatoes. Tomatoes grow on vines. Tomato sauce is made by cooking tomatoes. So is ketchup. The largest tomato ever grown weighed more than 7 pounds. That is a big tomato. Peanuts are beans that grow in the ground. Peanut butter is made by grinding peanuts. Grapes are fruit that grow in bunches on vines. Grape jelly is made by cooking grapes. It says, peanut butter was invented by a doctor for his elderly patients who couldn't chew. Later, because plain peanut butter on bread was so dry, jelly was added to create a new and delicious sandwich. So some of you have probably had a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, and peppers can all grow in gardens. Salads are made by combining these and other vegetables or fruits. Honey is made by bees delivering the nectar of flowers to the hive. It says the honeybee can beat its wings more than 200 times per second. On the next page it says maple syrup is made by boiling the sap that comes from the maple tree. It takes 40 gallons of sap to make 1 gallon of maple syrup. Okay. Salt comes from seawater. Did you know salt is the only rock we eat? Sugar comes from the juice of sugar canes and also from sugar beets. The average teenager eats 110 pounds of sugar a year, which is 13 tablespoons a day. Wow. Well, that was a really fun book. So at the end it says, where does your favorite food come from? So think of your favorite food. Where does yours come from? Okay, bye everyone. Talk to you later.